this is Zane with Cruising Carefree. My dad is talking about life jackets again. Boy, he loves these things.
Hey guys, Thomas from Cruising Carefree. So I bought this purple life jacket for Shannon years ago, and we want to wash it because, as you can see, it's filthy. So the process says you have to take out the inflatable cartridge before you can wash it. So we're going to let you know how it goes. But in the meantime, we're going to give it a yank since we have to put a new cartridge in it. See, it's green, and make sure the system is working. So we'll wash this jacket for you, and hopefully when we get it out, we'll do a new video with it and it'll look splendid. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, it's choking my neck. I know, it's like this compels me to jump in the water. Not. Anyway, stay tuned.